take a second. It's Black Friday, and I don't Black Friday shop. I don't need anything bad enough to go wait in lines and have things taken out of my shopping cart. But we are going to go to Walmart. There's frost outside in my front yard. This is the first time I've had frost, so I always get these pop-ups when I'm trying to talk to y'all. Anyway, so we're going to go to Walmart. I'm going to do another shop with me. We have to get, well, here. I kept it in this Ziploc bag because I put it in my lunchbox and I was afraid to get food on it. But anyway, so let me see. So we're going to get these things. Oh, there's the Prairie Farms truck and these things. I wonder if they're doing a drop off at the school for the kids. Hey, oh boy. Oh yeah, that's not. Okay then. Come here, little fella. We can't be having you out. You need to get back up there. Oh, yeah. Anyway, it don't matter. All right, so we're going to do a shop with me. So bear with me because I think I've done this once. I think I've maybe done it twice now, but we're going to do it together. So just bear with me. I do a lot of pushing, and sometimes I don't even talk if there's people around. But we're going to see. My Walmart is a Walmart market. So, like I know whenever I go into Schnucks, the food aisles go, we're just going to say, I don't know, horizontal. And then the, I guess, anyway, shut up. The food aisles go this way. But then there's then there's aisles that go this way. And then you have off to the side, you have a whole bunch of aisles that go this way. And so these are all the things like beauty products, baby stuff, toilet paper, paper towels, all those things are all going this way. And then all the other aisles, like I said, that's how our Schnucks is designed too. But because I may have a touch of, I'm just throwing these words out there. I don't have a diagnosis, but Lord knows I work around it enough to know. But I have a little bit of something. I'm just going to say something. Because on my shopping list, I like to go in the order of the store. So I have a spreadsheet. And it's every time I go and add something new, I add something new. And I have the aisles on it. So up here. So my aisles are right there. And that's the number of things I need to get. And then the aisles are right here. And that's the things I need to get. So the B aisles, which odd, but the B aisles are all like the lens clean, the paper stuff and health and beauty aids. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Bye. See, it says Walmart Neighborhood Market. And then I'll show you up front on the front of the store. Hang on. I can't be doing, oh, well, there's quite a few people. So it's 6:45 for the record. So, see, Neighborhood Market. That's our store. Oh, they already have the little thing for the bell ringers. That's kind of cool. So remember, this shopping time, I am going to be getting more, less veggies. Here, I'll let you see how nice our stuff looks. This is I'll just kind of give you an overview as I walk by. See all the people working. I mean, these people are working hard. Look over here, all the salads, those are all stocked. I mean, you can just look down these aisles. There is hardly any empty things. Morning. There's 5 workers in that aisle. So I'm just giving you a little tour of our Walmart. So this is what I was saying. All these aisles go this way. And then over here, the aisles go this way. So no, we have to start in B8. Okay, so B8. I'll meet you in row B8. Correction, it's B7. Terry needs to update her little list here. What are we getting? always like to pause by this dollar aisle, see if there's anything I need in my life that I can't live without. I get some good stuff. Well, it's not the dollar aisle, sorry. Used to be the dollar aisle, now it's the travel stuff. But nope, nothing there. Okay, nothing I can't live without. But we're gonna go get some Febreze. You know, I have dogs and holidays are coming. So, here's Calm Spring. I definitely don't want that to smell like a crumble. I guess I'll just get, ooh, let's get this heavy duty one. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's, all right, y'all. What do you think of the, hold up. What do you got? What are you trying to get me? 40% more odor fighting ingredients. Do we believe that? Or do we save $1 and get the old school one? And I'm, look at this one for $4. It's the one for pets. Okay, we're getting this one instead. Good job, Terry. All right, now we need puffs. Be right back. Get tools for this. I'll just put this way. Well, I get the 2 triples. Yeah, it's this one right there. Mini chunks, $29.97. All right, this is for you, Lori, and for all of the others who like things to be organized. How about that? Ain't that nice? All right. It's gonna be trashed here in a minute, but I'll give you all this moment of calm coolness. Not on my list, but isn't that the cutest little WD-40 cane you ever saw in your life? Look how little that thing is. That's so stinking cute. If I didn't have one at home, I'd get it. Okay, we're not in the right aisle, or the right section. I'm in the pet section, but I need to get to the dog stuff, so hold your horses. I just got sidetracked by the cutest little thing in the world. All right, let me get my list. Okay, so then these are the pork steaks. Look at all the yellow stickers. I need to get 3 packs of them, but these yellow stickers, so I'm going to get 3 of them. Hang on just a second. Okay, so I'm going to have to go the other way, but let's just see, this is our meat section. And so I'll show you all the yellow stickers. Yellow stickers. Look at all the beef with the yellow stickers. So if I put ribeye for $17, you know it's killing me, don't you? They also have, hang on, I want to see something. They also have these little individual ribeyes. Oh yeah, no. Let me just see if they have. No, they don't have New York's, or they don't have the New York strip in the lower quality meat. So, do I want them? I don't want them. I don't need them. Oh yeah, this is the New York strip steaks. They sell these little ones too. So I don't have any need for any ground beef or anything. So, but yeah, that's our meat aisle. Get 3 of these for the dogs. Okay, yes, I drink a little bit too. Shut up. Our dairy section is empty, but thankfully people don't eat and drink the stuff that I do. So for $5, I'll get 2 of these fat-free Fairlife milks. And while I'm here, see, I just set things up to flow nice and easy for myself. We're gonna check out these eggs. Old or new. They look good. So these are gonna travel up here. Hang on. We're done with all the outer aisles, so now we're gonna start. I gotta go get 4 of the Great Value frozen burgers, and then 2 Great Value peanut butters for the puppy dogs. Oh, hang on. Next up, I need 4 of my 85% frozen burgers. So, let's see. They are $14.97 a piece, and I get 4 of these. The place that's out the most, I'm trying to see what this is, drumsticks for families. That's the section of chicken. Oh wait, what's this down here? Oh, twin whole chickens. So there was a lot of whole chickens yesterday and a lot of drumsticks eaten yesterday. I get 2 of these creamy peanut butters for the puppy dogs. Yes, I know. Some people say they would lie if there was such a thing as reincarnation, they'd come back as one of my dogs. Believe me, I would too. All right, let's get out of this dang cold section. Get to go to aisle 19. Oh my God, I made the dumbest mistake. I just walked through the bread aisle to get over to here, like the fresh bread aisle. I didn't even think about it, but good golly, that was dumb. All right, I get my Better Goods roasted sweet corn, and then I mix that with my Mateo's gourmet salsa. And so it's $4.24 and $4.62 for the salsas. Impulse buy. I'm gonna get the Miracle Noodle Fettuccine. It's for $4.48. So just one. So I've come to my. This is where I get the aisle. I get most stuff. However, I'm not making salad, so I don't have a whole bunch of salad-y type things. But on the flip side, I am getting some bacon pieces. These right here. Okay, well, it's the same brand, but I usually get the ice. Actually, I looked, no, right here, and it's empty. So we're gonna try this Brazil one, because I need to, and we're gonna try this Classico. I tell you what, if you ever really need some energy and just regular coffee doesn't do it, I bought this Cafe Bustelo. Oh my gosh, that stuff, that'll make you you'll start hearing colors. All right, I think that's all I have. Hang on. Now it's on to the easy cheese for the dogs. Now our store opens up at 6 in the morning, but I know these workers have been working all night long for these shelves. Because sometimes on my mornings when I drive home, we're in the wrong aisle to be showing you. When I'm on my drive home from work in the mornings, I see them leaving. So I know that they have worked hard. So I get this easy cheese. It's $2.67. I get 2 of them, or 4 of them. So I get 4 of those. Don't ask. Don't be all judgy. Because yes, sometimes I need a squirt too. Okay, I need 1 of these liquid flavor enhancers. I always keep 1 in my purse. They're $3.74. I need 2 powdered ones. I don't like tea. I do like strawberry mango. So 2 of these. Tropical mango. Yeah, these will be good. Hang on. For $1.98. I need 4 of these clear Americans. I love peach. These are 84 cents a piece. Orange and cream. Oof, I love Fuji apple. I think I'm gonna get 2 of those. Yep, I'll get 2 Fuji apple ones. Okay, last thing in this section. I've enjoyed Dr. Pepper. It's not something I'm like, oh, I got to have it in my life, but I'm gonna try this Dr. Zevia. So we're gonna give it a whirl. I've tugged in my cart. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we have to go to the refrigerated section. Oh, this is so dreadful because it's gonna be cold. Okay, I buy the fat-free cheeses, the sliced cheese. It's so funny. Every time I come, I have to look for it. And I always am like, oh, there it is, right in front of my face. So not that one, not that one. Oh, wait. This looks a little more like it. Maybe not. I'll come back when I find it. Hang on. Been on an adventure. A gal had to help me. They were buried. So, all right. I think they're $2.97. Anyway, maybe 3 something. Anyway, but yeah. So, thank you, Jesus, that they have nice helpers here. I got my cheese. Getting close to done. I get 2 of these and lbs. And hang on. I'll show you when I get them out. I got 2 of these. That's what it looks like. And then I get 3 of the chicken apples. 1, 2, 3. So these are the lbs, chicken, and apple. Okay. So now I need 1 apple and 3 gums. So the gums I just get at the front desk. But I'm going to get me 1 cosmic apple because, you know, I ain't leaving here without 1 cosmic apple. I should leave here without a cosmic apple after yesterday, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. And this one. And now I'm ready to check out. All right, I'm done checking out. You can see her. So now the fun of loading up Towanda. First thing I do is put my purse in my car. But I don't have a thing, so I'm just going to show you Towanda when she's full. All right, we got out of there. We spent, it was $390. I always budget for $400 and then add $40 for pool. I didn't need to get pool cash because I still had some. So anyway, so yeah, there we go. $390. Towanda's full to the gills, y'all. And yeah, so this was my, I don't know what to call what I'm gonna try for the after, because I gotta finish up what veggies I have in my house. But like I said, I'm still gonna have sauces. So Carnivore'ish, whatever people want to call it. I'm just meat, lots and lots of meat. So all right, I'll see you guys next time.